Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically upload videos onto Pinterest. So here I'm just going to go to my pins, to my profile, and then I am going to go to the pins section, I think, or the boards one. I think I'm going to go to the boards one, and I'm just going to have like a private. Okay, let's create pin. So it says choose a file, drag and drop here. I am just going to select a video. Cupid RH dance. And then you can choose a board and you can add in tags. Roblox. Can I not have that? Okay. But once you're done, you can also edit the cover and pick a cover from it. Press done and then press publish. You can add in a description if you'd like to, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in this comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.